G'day, Michael here. We're reviewing the newly released Franklin CX22 Rear Club Lounge. Before we check out the inside of the van, here's some important external features that will make your travels much more enjoyable. Starting at the back of the van, there's a nice big rear window to maximise the sunlight through the van. Reversing camera on the back, comes with the monitor for your vehicle so you can see what's happening behind you at all times. Bumper bar on the rear, spare wheel, LED tail lights which are made by Nava. Comes with a composite panel on the back, and just having a look at the van visually, it looks beautiful. Moving along the side of the van, there's a rear hatch there to maximise your storage. That goes all the way under the seats. Double step, crimp safe mesh door, very solid and durable. External picnic table, external 240 volt power point, external TV box with power points inside as well. The van also comes with a set of external marine speakers. That's just some of the many features on the outside. Now let's go inside and check it out. Something very important about the Franklin Caravan is the height. 6'8" high interior gives you much more breathing space throughout the van, particularly on those hotter days. By having the nice big rear club lounge, it gives you much more space throughout the van and plenty of room to stretch out. This popular layout has heaps of bench space on both sides, loads of pantry space as well, 2-door fridge, centre showering toilet, north-south island bed, and plenty of overhead storage as you can see. Another great feature about this Caravan is the CNC cabinetry. What I mean by that is all the cupboards that you see is put through a CNC machine, which means everything's cut millimetre perfect. Just to show a few of the many features in this Caravan is the soft closed drawers. There's a recessed cooktop as well for extra bench space, full oven, 2-door fridge freezer, 2 sets of drawers, TV, radio, microwave, Ibis 4 air conditioner. It's got the lot. This van ticks all the boxes. It's got the quality, it's got the features. Visually it looks $1,000,000 bucks. If you love all that, then get your order in and join the club.